when it comes to changing creative, I have a very simple practice. Which is, in my opinion, I truly believe that a lot of times, too many people actually change a campaign, but they're only really changing a creative. So in my opinion, if you're only changing a creative, you don't want to start a new campaign entirely. Because the moment you restart a new campaign entirely, you'll forego the learning that have been gathered in the old campaign. You see, all the time it's like this. If you're running a conversion campaign, you're always going for the conversion objective. So the conversion objective, the objective level, things that you are trying to get don't change. So that's the first thing. And second thing is, most of the time, your target audience don't change. So what you're really changing is you're changing the creative. Now, a lot of people, every time they change creative, they change the entire campaign. But like I said, you forgo the learning. That's why every time you start a new campaign, you need to struggle, go through the learning phase and all that. Fluctuation in results and all that is frustrating. That's why my advocation is very simple. As long as everything remains unchanged, if you're changing the creative, just change the creative within the same campaign skeleton. All right? So all you need to do, like what Francisco is summarizing for you guys right now, if you are actually replacing and test a new ad creative, yes, you're right. You just duplicate the old one, change whatever you want to change in the duplicated new ad. It's an ad, right? So do whatever, you do your change, and then you turn the old one off, and then you let the new one run. So it would actually gather, it will still inherit the learning that was being gathered within the same ad set and campaign, and it will actually reduce the time required to go through all the learning and whatnot, which is very useful. Just try that. So Francisco, you are right, and I hope I answered your question. Good luck for your campaign.